What is up, guys? Welcome on back to Tech Talk Vids. And today we got the OnePlus 12. I know it says Hasselblad or Hasselblad, flaccid, sad. I don't know. We're gonna cut this with our fingernail if it works, and if it doesn't, we'll go get a butcher knife. But it looks like this is gonna work. We're gonna cut this, we're gonna open this thing up, and we're gonna see what's in the box. Oh, I love this. Thank you. And then it says thank you. This is a nice little Easter egg. Wow. These are all different individual users, I guess, that they put inside the box. That's something I've never seen before. That's an interesting thing. You got the Neville. That's what it is. It's the Neville settle part there on the box. See if we can get this camera situated. The Neville settle, never settle. Let's get this thing out. Now I don't know if there's a case in this box or not. Sometimes, they have interesting little, welcome things. So let's get this all the way out and see what we got in here. We have a dongle of some type. Looks like USB-A to USB-C. I guess maybe to plug a thumb drive or something into the phone. All right, interesting. Unless there's a dock feature or something I don't know about on the OnePlus. But let's see what else we got in here. We have a welcome card. Oh, you got Pete. Did he actually sign that? Okay, I would say, is that actual pen? No, of course it's printed. Pete, the founder of OnePlus. Thank God it doesn't say Carl Pie on it anymore. Membership card. Oh, I got a membership. Oh, we got stickers. I can go troll people with these and put these on their cars. Especially if you're like me and you regularly visit a military installation. These phones can't be used for work, unfortunately, because they are Chinese. So it is what it is. Oh, what? Wait a minute. Okay, let me find out that OnePlus has stepped up. Look at this. They got their own card. This is like AAA. Are they gonna look out for me if my phone blows up? Do I call somebody to come get it? Interesting. Red Cable Club membership card right here. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I've never seen that before. That's the first time I've seen a fake credit card in the box with a cell phone. So, okay, that's interesting. All right, the rest of this crap, the rest of these books and shit can go in here. We'll fold this up. We'll put it back here in the box because I don't need any of that. And we'll close that up, and then we're gonna get to the phone. So we got the phone right here. Oh man, I've seen a lot of people talk a lot of shit on this phone, only because they're not a fan of the color of the device. Me personally, let's see, we're gonna peel this thing back. Oh man, I even like the way the paper feels. Damn. All right, this is super premium feeling. This is crazy, right? Hold on, we got to pause this. All right, just for quick comparison, all right, I got the OnePlus 12 here, and I got the S24 Ultra here, and man, I ain't gonna lie. If I had to feel both of these, maybe because the OnePlus is heavier. Is that an IR blaster? Please tell me that is. Ha ha! We got the scumbag feature back on the phone. I love it. If that's an IR blaster, I'm already in. All right. Now, between these two, just a very quick comparison. You can see the S24 Ultra is a little bit wider. Not much, but just a tad bit wider. Me personally, I've seen a lot of people talk negatively about the design on the OnePlus, this marble green. Me personally, I love it. This is one of my green is my favorite color, and I absolutely love the way this thing looks. I like that the slider, the alert slider and stuff is over here on this side. You got your power, your volume buttons. We'll go ahead and see if she has any juice right now, because this is also supposed to be the absolute brightest display on a smartphone. Oh, and it comes with a screen protector pre-installed. I love that. So I don't really need to go buy one from Amazon. I am going to get a case for it though. But interesting, we got it booting right now. We'll put this over here while it's booting. And let's look and see what else we got in the box. I'm not going to front, man. I really think that I'm really going to enjoy the OnePlus 12 a lot. And that's saying a lot coming from me. All right, we got the super might burn your house down brick. I think this one is, what, 100 watts? Is that what they call this? 100 watt charging or whatever. Cool. We got the giant VOOC charging because it comes from Oppo. And then you have this completely banded up cable, which you do have to use with this if you want to get the full capability of charging for that. So I'll get into that later. We'll actually charge this thing up. But there you have it. I just wanted to get into a quick unboxing of the phone so that you guys could get a quick look at it. You guys could get an idea of what the phone looked like. You know, if I was going to have any issues out of the box. I will set it up. I can tell you right now, if you want a quick comparison between the Pixel 8 Pro, the S24 Ultra, and the OnePlus 12, clearly the S24 Ultra seems to be, let me line them all up on the bottom, seems to be the taller of the three. It also is a little bit wider than the three. The Pixel does have that, for the most part, flat display. It does have that little bit of curving on the edging, so it's kind of like in the middle between this and this. I'm going to be honest, I am very happy that Samsung did go back this route with a flat screen as opposed to what OnePlus has done, which is nice. It's a nice change of pace. I don't use the same phone every day, so being able to change this up is actually very nice. I'm going to go through the setup procedure on this and get this thing situated, and then you guys will see comparison videos between all the different phones and stuff coming very, very soon. Anyways, till next time, guys, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys very soon on the next one.